Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to generate images using AI. Here you can go and type DALL AI image generator. This one. And here you can see different websites. So let's check this one. You can also check these other websites. Now simply go and click on create image. Here you can type. So just let me add something. Website design, hero section, background image, then click on create button. Now here you can see it has started working. Okay, that's good.